Quality inspection is an important competitive factor. Using Solid Edge Inspector makes inspection planning a quick and easy process. Taking a look at this side plate in the Yanu AI robotic bartender will open the drawing that already has all the relevant manufacturing information defined. Launching Solid Edge Inspector, we can set the tolerance standards required. If needed, multiple tolerance tables can be configured, which can later be applied based on part type. Creating characteristic numbers with balloons is a quick and easy process. There is also the flexibility to create balloons manually or ignore some specific dimension types. Based on the standards and configurations which have been set here, the default tolerances get applied for the dimensions which don't have specific tolerances defined. These dimensions are highlighted in yellow in the characteristic table. At any time, the dimension class can be controlled to define how critical they are. The inspection balloons can also be shown or hidden when required. This inspection information can be exported into multiple file formats, which can later be used in downstream applications. It's also possible to export this information as a separate project file, which can later be re-imported into the drawing. This is very useful in situations where the quality team doesn't have write access to the CAD files. Inspection reports can be generated by choosing a template that can be easily configured for any industry standard. The inspection data can also be easily updated to accommodate any design changes. Here, a change is made to the model in the drawing, then subsequently updated. At this time, we'll also delete a dimension and add a new dimension. Then a click of a button updates the inspection data. This will add a balloon to the new dimension and update the CN list with this and all the other changes that were made. The changes like modified, new, and deleted dimensions are captured as part of the CN list. Filters can be applied to these columns similar to Excel. As the design has been modified and the drawing updated, we'll generate the inspection report and see the updates. The list shows new, modified, and deleted dimensions. Filters can also be applied to the CN list to generate a compare report. This shows only the changes that were made when compared to the previous revision. Solid Edge Inspector also fully supports a model-based inspection process. This means it works seamlessly on the 3D model in an MBD workflow. Just like we saw for the 2D drawing, it's possible to create and edit balloons and generate a report on a 3D model using the PMI dimensions and annotation. Solid Edge Inspector, providing a competitive edge by streamlining the quality and inspection planning process.